If n is a sequence, this is also called a harmonic sequence. Okay, 1 plus half plus dot dot 1 by n, and bn is another sequence which is similar to if it instead of n squared it was n, then it would have been AGP sequence, arithmetic geometric progression sequence, but here it's n square. But it's very mathematically understandable. So n is summation of 1 by k from 1 to n, and bn is n square by 2 to the power n. Then the options asks you that the option A and option B and option C and D, all of them asks you about the Cauchy sequence, whether A and B and are Cauchy sequence or not. So for this problem, you need to know the basic, and you need to have a basic understanding of what is a Cauchy sequence.
Hello, guys. Welcome to Cheenta School of Statistics and Data Science. We are a team of extremely passionate teachers, researchers, and statisticians from the top universities of India and USA. Our mission is to help you curve your career in statistics, data science, and machine learning. How do we do that? Number one, we help you build your foundations. We achieve that by making an optimized plan for your learning journey. Number two, we help you prepare and ace your entrance examinations in statistics and data science, like IIT JAM MS, ISIM Stat, and CMI MSc Data Science.
You understand, if you put limit on both sides, limit n tends to infinity, you will understand that the left hand side is actually, yeah, you can say it's 1 by 2 to the power, it's like till 2 to the power n, but it doesn't matter, it's essentially going to infinity, right? It's essentially summation 1 by n, almost it's same, just that it's the rate of movement is different, but essentially it's going to the same. So if you take limit on both sides, you will see that this is what the actual sum is, the an, the left hand side, and this is infinity. So therefore this diverges. This is one proof of it, one simple proof of it. There are other proofs of it using other tests and stuff, but for this basic summation 1 by k, this is harmonic series called harmonic sum. Therefore this is not convergent. Is this convergent? Yes, it's very simple. Now for this bn, you can understand that n square by 2 to the power n, this is very easy because n square is polynomial and 2 to the power n is going exponentially, right? But if you again want to still prove it using basic mathematics, you can say that, so you can first do it like this. You can do it like fx is equal to, so this is not always the way to do it, by 2 to the power x. And if you observe, f of n is nothing but the bn. Now if you prove that fx as x tends to infinity, this converges, this is equal to 0, okay, then all subsequents of it, f of n, will also converge to 0, because this is a property of continuous functions till infinity. So any subsequence that, yeah, so therefore since fx extends to infinity, this goes to 0. So now what we will do, we'll try to prove this, that fx is equal to 0 for x tends to infinity. Now if you observe that 2 to the power x, now this is nothing but L'Hopital, right? Because it's infinity by infinity form. So what you do 2x, and here you do okay, so do 2x, and here you have to do again. Do you know how to solve this? How to do the derivative of 2 to the power x? So if you have 2 to the power x as fx, or let's say gx, what you take? You take a log of this, so you get x ln 2 is equal to log gx, and then you take the derivative of it. So left hand side is log g, and here g dash x by gx. So g dash x is nothing but gx times log 2. So this is therefore 2 to the power x times log 2. So this will never change, okay, as you can understand. But again, if you do the derivative of it, it will turn out to be 2 by 2 to the power x log 2 whole square, right? So therefore you can see now this goes to 0, as you can understand, by L'Hopital. But the basic idea is that exponential moves much really faster than polynomial. So hence this is convergent. But this is not convergent. An is not convergent because this is and therefore An is not a Cauchy sequence, and B is a Cauchy sequence. Bn is a Cauchy sequence because it converges to 0. All of you understood this, guys? Yes or no?
To book a trial class for your preparation courses of IIT JAM MS, ISIM Stat, and CMI MSc Data Science, check out the first link in the description below. If you're enjoying the video, show some love by liking the video and subscribing to the channel. We welcome you again to this passionate community of budding statisticians and data scientists. Let's enjoy the rest of the video. Stay tuned and stay blessed.